So, hi dear Pisces, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general monthly reading for all the Pisces Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 1st till the 15th of December 2024. I'm going to tap into recent past, current energies, and near future, and we will see the guidance as usual, starting with the overall energy for the first 15 days. Okay. Now, if you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can book your slots accordingly. Okay, now let's start. Pisces. And keep in mind, it's not a love reading or career reading or anything specific, but whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know. Let's see the overall energy for you people. Knight of Cups. Okay, you are in this energy of either going towards something or someone with lots of love, forgiveness, energy of okay, let's sort it out, and or somebody coming towards you, and you're keeping your heart open to receive that kind of love, that kind of energy, that kind of forgiveness kind of energy. So basically, you are going to keep your energies and heart chakra open in order to receive those kind of forgiveness kind of energies and or going in that direction to do that from your side. Wow, basically good, very good energy. Let's see in the recent past what was happening, Pisces. Emperor, you were in this energy of taking charge of your life in your own hands, making your own decisions and not letting other people or other situations affect you or your decisions or whatsoever. Okay, we have currently High Priestess. Your intuition is all time high and you are listening to your intuition big time. And the more you are listening to it, the more you are kind of making right choices and right decision, or at least you're trying to. By the 15th of December, we have the Chariot. You're going to be in this energy of no matter what, determination, sheer determination. I'm going to do this no matter what, that kind of energy. Let's clarify these cards. Let's clarify the Emperor in the recent past for you guys. We have the Strength card, the Three of Swords, the Two of Cups. Okay. Something that was very close to your heart, something or someone that was very close to your heart kind of made you like kind of let you down, and it took you a lot of strength and courage to let that situation or person or that hurt and pain go out of your system, but it made you a person who was like, okay, this is my life and I have to take the charge of my life in my own hands. I'm not going to let other people, other situations, or some kind of hurt and pain to affect my life for the rest of my life. So it like made you learn a very important lesson, how to be in charge of your own life. That was the thing in the recent past. Currently, the High Priestess, you are keeping your things and emotions and everything to yourself and listening to your intuition big time. Let's clarify the High Priestess here. We have the Queen of Cups, the Chariot, and the Empress, right? Right now, we are in this mode of self-love, self-care, self-healing, and moving forward towards growth and expansion. There's no looking back, there's no regret, there's no energy of whatever you did was wrong or right or anything. You are not being any kind of judgmental. You're not in any kind of judgmental energy right now. You're in this energy of okay, whatever happened, whether you did that or somebody else did that, doesn't matter to you anymore. Right now, you are in this energy of taking care of your emotions, taking care of yourself, and straight away heading towards growth and expansion and happiness in your life, adding creativity, adding happiness, adding love to your life from your side as much as you can, and heading towards victory and success, growth and expansion. That is your aim, that is your goal. By the 15th of December, the Chariot, you're like, no matter what, I'm not going to stop. There's no stopping from this point onwards. Okay, sheer determination kind of energy. Let's clarify the Chariot. We have the Six of Wands, the Sun card, the Hanged Man, right? You are going to be like heading towards growth and expansion and happiness, and you're going to make sure that you are going to be happy no matter what other people are thinking, no matter what others are thinking or what others are doing or what others are going to make out of your story. You are not going to bother about anything or anyone, Pisces. You are going to be in the surrender mode from your side, like okay, let the universe decide for me. Whatever is good for me will come to me eventually, but I'm not going to look back. I'm not going to stop. I'm not going to stop being happy, stop being crazy, stop being working on myself. I am not going to stop no matter what, even if other people or situations are going to make me feel uh, even if other people or situations are going to think like I'm crazy, or someone who is not going to think about them or anything like that. So it's like basically you are going to be in this energy of sheer determination of working on yourself and your happiness. Even if other people are going to get pissed off or they're going to drift apart, you are not going to care about that. You're like, nope, it's me, between me and the universe, and nobody can stop me. I'm unstoppable, Pisces. Okay, got it, honey. Got it. So you are going to be so much focused on your happiness and your success that even if you are going to lose people or situations or things on this path, you are going to be okay with that. You are going to be, in fact, more than okay. You are going to be like, wow, got rid of negative people, negative energies. Nice. Goodbye. Guidance for you, Ten of Wands. See, even if you're moving forward and you're quite determined, there are still some things that you need to let go of completely, that is stressing the hell out of you from time to time. I don't know what that is. You need to get rid of something or someone that is still weighing you down in some way, right? In order to achieve the kind of happiness, the kind of independence, and the strength that you're giving me, that you're going to achieve in the coming future, there might be some blockages that you need to remove before you are going to start going on that path. And that you know those blockages, right? It could be a connection, it could be a job, it could be something that is kind of, is not good for you, addiction maybe, whatever it is. There is something that you need to get rid of in order to go to the next chapter of your life, that you are showing me that you are very determined to go on. But it needs a little bit of letting go of something or someone out of your life, or out of your system completely. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.